So the job of Captain Creative means I do things like this. So I come up with designs, I do sculptures, think of ideas and try and make them actually come to life in chocolate. So every couple of months we'll do 6 or 10 different designs of cakes that people can say, oh, I want that. But normally people say, I want that, can you change the flowers, can you change the colours, can I have my pet dog or cat? So usually everything turns out to be pretty bespoke. It's very satisfying when you look back at it and think, that didn't exist when I came in this morning and now it does.